Hello, in this video, we will learn how to create a Facebook page. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Open the Facebook application. Tap on the 3 horizontal dots. Search for the page icon. Select Create. Now, we will start creating the page. First, name the page. Press Next. Here, choose the appropriate category for your page, the category that you will target with your page. I will choose the category I want, which is naturally available, and I will select it. When finished, click on Create. Here, you can add a description. You can add your website, email for contact, and phone number as well. You can add all this information according to your choice, then click Continue. On this page, we can add a profile picture and a cover photo. After adding the pictures, click Continue. You can add your WhatsApp number by entering the country code and phone number to link the page to WhatsApp. Then click on Get Code to confirm the phone number. I will not add a number, so I will click Skip. Here, you can invite friends by selecting the Invite option. I will not do this step because it is very easy, and I will press Continue. Continue again. And click on Done. Done. Now the Facebook page has been successfully created with all the necessary information. Now, you just need to focus on your content. Finally, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates. See you in another video.